Hey guys, do you play the No Limit Drag Racing 2? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version with unlimited resources, no jailbreak, and it works on iOS and Android, guys. So, let's get right into the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to download it onto your device. So, it's pretty straightforward, guys. We're just going to go onto this website. It's called tweakgpt.com. So, let me just type it in right here. And once you're on this site, you just want to go to where it says enter a prompt and type in no. That should be enough. So let's see if it comes up. And yep, so going for the No Limit 2 drag racing. So press on that and it's going to say need it. Here's how to get it. Go to ZooMods. So now we're on the ZooMods site. So we're going to type in no, and sure enough, there's the No Limit 2 drag racing mod. So press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. But if you go to the App Store and type it in, you can see it's super expensive. So let me just type it in right here to show you guys. Let's just type it in. So I don't know if it will come up, but it's super expensive. It's just so cringe. But here's the game, and then we go to in-app purchases, and you can see it's super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, because this is super cool and fully works on iOS and Android, guys. So as you can see, I got tons of money. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. It totally works, guys. It's so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out because this is super cool, guys. It fully works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, peace out, guys, because this is super cool. And I'm not really someone that gets involved in mods, but this mod was legit. I had to try it and it worked. So peace out, guys. It's so cool. And yeah, it's really unique, honestly, but yeah, peace.